Welcome to J&J's test video of SMTY 289. This is a 91 Land Cruiser 80 series, 234,000 miles, trade-in. Just kind of beat up, you know, the mirrors, duct tape or electrical tape, missing a flare, but it's not too bad. It's all there. It has a miss, a little rusty, but it runs, it drives, transfer case works. This mirror is there, but it's a little rattling. Got some fancy sun visors. Let you listen to the motor. It stumbles off idle. This is the old 3M. Let's see. We'll give her a quick drive and show her what we got. We're at high. There we go. 234, 140 on the shifter. You gotta use two hands. It's got a little but it moves. There's high gear. Oh, it even stops. Neutral. There's low. Diff lock. And there's low. Ooh, shift. Alright. That's that. SMTY 289. Thank you for watching.